How to download games on Steam. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Steam application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on the store option from top of your screen and scroll through and tap on the game that you want to download. Or you can also tap on the search bar and search for the game that you want to download. Once opened, you will see the download button there. Tap on the download button and in the confirmation that appears, tap on the install button. Now, with this, the installation process will begin. Wait for the installation to complete, and once completed, tap on the downloaded file to launch the game further. So, this is how you can download games on Steam. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.